All right. So,
I'm currently playing
simple harmonics. Okay. What we're looking at today and what our lab is about is pendulums. Okay, we're going to be looking at pendulums coming up.
What's that one book that was read by Edgar-Allan-Poe? I don't know.
The Raven.
No.
Have you read The Raven?
Something on the pendulum. That book is
Oh,
weird.
the
The pendulum. That's
about the spiritual position, like it's getting tortured.
Yes.
Yeah. I feel like all of Edgar Allan Poe's literature is really weird.
It is.
Well, I mean, he did marry his, what, sister, right? Cousin, whatever.
I did not even know that.
All right. So,
That's still. Do we need to write down the definition? Or just write down the
I mean, I feel like you know what pendulum is.
Oh.
So, just the equation. All right. So we are jumping way deep, way deep to simple pendulums. Okay. So, the period or time. I'm going to rewrite that just because that's kind of off in the corner. Time. Well, we know it's 1 over the frequency, right? I think we got that equation last Thursday or Friday. We know that. But that is also equal to 2 pi W. Okay? Which is also equal to 2 pi the square root of L over G. Now, this is what our lab is about. That's our lab. Okay? We're trying to prove, is gravity actually 9.8?
Gravity actually is what?
9.8 meters per.
We already tried to figure this out.
We have, but have we used the pendulum to do it? No. We're going to try a pendulum.
Have we?
Have we?
I don't know.
Is gravity a myth?
Yes.
Zero gravity was
100%.
to keep us from leaving.
But
Are we taking
I think the government knows it. That's why it's always
the
exactly.
rotation of the Earth.
We actually have everyone in our body.
All right. So,
I'm here. I just want to get my stuff over there.
you guys got this all written out?
No. I don't, I'm looking. Wait 1 second.
It's called.
It's just so great.
It's a mile.
Or maybe it's a magnet, but it's also a different magnet that also.
That's great.
All right. So,
No.
let's try one example out. Let's try one example out. Number 26. Number 26. Find the period and frequency of a simple pendulum that is 1 meter long at a location where G is equal to 9.8 meters per second squared. Okay, find the period and frequency of a simple pendulum that is 1 meter long, that's a long pendulum, at a location where G equals 9.8 meters per second squared. By the way, is this anybody's calculator? I really thought it was going to be this class. I don't know why my freshman would have this type of calculator. No one's calculator?
Why? Why would the freshmen have that calculator? Because they think it's cool. Until they actually use it.
Sorry. It wasn't my first period. I don't see it in any of my 7th period. So, I mean, yeah, you're right. You're right.
No, you're right.
Yeah.
I also want to put on.
Yeah.
Proprietary SSD.
Okay. So, just to go over this real quick, if we check out my equation, well, I have G, right? I know what gravity is. All right. I have L. right? So what you're going to use is you're going to use this equation, right? I don't know that. I don't know that. So I'm going to use this equation. So 2 pi square root of L 1 over G 9.8. Okay? What do you guys get? Everybody do that? 2? Perfect. 2. All right? So it took 2 seconds. All right? So that was the time it took. That's the period. Okay? To find frequency, well, time, we said time was 2, is equal to 1 over the frequency. So the frequency should have been 0.5. And that's how you solve these type of problems. Okay? Yes.
This might be a really stupid question.
I am recording this.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Go ahead.
How do you change, will we ever have to answer in like, radians rather than seconds for period?
I don't think so.
No.
Period will always be time. Yeah. That was a good question. Okay. Then I got this little video we're gonna watch. Then we'll get into our lab. Easy enough. Hope this works. Have you guys seen this? It's pretty cool stuff right here.
Oh, no.
Edgar Allan Poe. It's actually a little mesmerizing. I could watch this on repeat all day long. Whoa. Just wait, it gets better. So there's a pattern to everything. Somehow they separate.
This is like one of those like sorting algorithms.
Back to 3. And back to normal. Crazy.
Is that the lab?
I can't believe that took a minute.
That was a very fast minute.
I know.
Yeah, it was a very fast minute. All right. So, for today's lab, your goal is to prove that equation is true. Front light's coming on 3, 2, 1. Back light 3, 2, 1. Your goal is to prove that the time equals 2 pi square root L over G is real. Okay. So I do want you guys to read over this pretty carefully. All right. You will create a graph. That's probably going to be tomorrow. Tomorrow's kind of graph. Today's kind of create the setup. All right. Create the procedure you guys want to do. And then get some data tables. Okay. So I have. You will need masses. Doesn't matter which one. Right? Just you'll need masses. You'll need string and a stopwatch. Okay. And I do have ring stands that you can set up your pendulum on. If you guys want, I'll get ring stands up. Okay. So you only need one per group. If you want to have a second one just to read, I have plenty. All right, but you only need to record one per group. Sound good? But I do have plenty of them. I'm going to set those right there. We're going to try it out. Read over the directions.
How much heavy should I go? Some of these guys, I'll give them medium. No, I'll go low with this one. This was
Perfect.
So now you want to do it.
cool.
What is that?
Sorry, Cole. I just thought it
That's a question I'm not really.
Okay, well, you have some next time.
Total way. They don't want to know.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to even know.
Hey Jake, can you do me a favor? Can you open that?
Stopwatch.
Count every little second.
That was.
There you go. This is the best time to see you. I see. I follow.
All right. Or it's not. I'm just taking these pictures. Yeah.
I was thinking about.
You know how?
Yeah.
I
There's a powder version and there's a liquid version. I like the liquid version, but you just sit on that, and then you just like take a towel and like, and then it'll be all like, I use it.
Yeah,
Like, you can get it at like Kroger or Walmart or any of that.
Like every Sunday.
Oh, this isn't gonna get that.
Yeah.
So we can go over time and.
Anytime, dude. I probably don't remember more work.
Yeah.
The period is just like halfway through. I was like, where was that word? It's not quiet. Oh, yeah, wow.
Gravity, right? So.
Alright, let's.
Would be there, right?
So, has anyone?
Wait, so like.
Back to the middle or back to the at the very top, like goes back.
What are you doing?
That's me.
I thought it was when it did go back.
We need to cut the string.
Like the. Yeah.
Hold on, this is.
So what we would do is we would so the top, rise up remote.
How long?
Yeah.
Probably like. Probably about that. Plus like a logo.
I'll ask him.
Do you need some scissors?
Mr. B. Yep. So for the period, is it where, so say the pendulum.
Pendulum?
So say it's right here. Is it when you pull it down? And then it goes this way and then
I didn't have
backward. Okay, so boom. Okay.
Kind of like, yeah.
Okay.
Like a fold.
Do we need
All right, yep.
Gotcha, right.
I don't know. Never mind, Mr. Broderick.
So you like go up here.
Sorry, I slipped the wrong name.
Alright, so. Meter sticks. Let me grab you one real quick. Sure these are up. Save some